It's here. It's here. Into the package builder. For HubSpot partners, we now have full custom modules for websites and email and transactional emails. Full lift, boop, shift capability in the package builder for you and HubSpot resources. We're going to keep on adding more. I'm going to pass over to Steve to show you how it works. Custom modules for websites, landing page, and transactional email.
What is up, HubSpot partners? We have a pretty big update to the package builder that includes things that people have been asking for some time now, and so we can add support for these different things all at once. So the first big improvement that we've made is that we now support including custom modules inside of email templates, landing pages, or website pages. So for example, if I have a custom module here, I can then add this email to my package. And it's going to bring along the fact that it has this custom module. And when I go to install it, it'll check and tell me if that custom module is there or not. If the custom module is there, it'll find all the right stuff to link it together, and it will basically make sure that that custom module is being used correctly. And if it's not there, it'll give you instructions on how to include the custom module. Now, because of how the design manager works, we can't pull over the design manager elements, but we can give you instructions on how to do that using HubSpot's built-in tools. So we'll see that in a second. And then the other cool thing that we added here is transactional email support. So previously, if you tried to add a transactional email, it would just error out and say that you couldn't add it to the package. So now we can add these just like anything else to our package. Let's go ahead and add that in. The other thing that you may have heard me say is website page. So we actually do support website pages now, just like any other landing pages or email templates. It brings along all the content in there, and then you have the template in your design manager that you bring along. And then the last thing that we added is the email templates for marketing emails. So we've always supported email template for sales emails, but then if you had email templates for marketing, you just couldn't bring those over. So now those are things that you can add into your package. And there we go. Let's go ahead and do an install of this one. So this is what I was talking about when you see if you don't have a design module, you'll see this error message. Now it's super easy to bring your design modules in. I'm going to create this one by hand. Actually, let's go ahead and do it in our design manager. I'll show you how to do it. It's a pretty cool feature that HubSpot has. So if we go into design manager, if I can pull it up here, we can select our module and we can up here at the top, click copy to a different account. And then we pick the account that we want it to go to. We copy those assets over, and then it's going to bring that into your other account. So we just brought in my module. All right, let's go ahead and redo this install. So this is an example showing that that custom module is in use and working in this email. Let's go ahead and bring in a transactional email. We have our email template, and these email templates go into when you click create email. That's this here. These are the email templates. And we also have website pages. So these actually are pretty much identical to landing pages, and you can even cross landing pages and website pages. But we now support this as part of the package builder, including any type of custom modules, which are obviously very heavily used in landing and website pages. So that's it for this package builder update. Lots of things that people have requested for a while. As always, stay awesome, stay super.